Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another taste and experience with Key Encounters. Let's talk about it. The item that we have here is from the most incredible art installation I've ever seen to date, which is Omega Mart, brought to you by Meow Wolf. Now, if you doesn't know anything about Omega Mart here in Las Vegas, definitely look it up. It's a trip. If you ever get a chance to go to it, I highly recommend that you do whatever the top tier ticket is so you do not miss out on a great experience. Now, the cool part is there are things on the shelves that you can literally purchase and bring home. And one of the items is this going to be this item here, which is called Moon Water. This is a non-alcoholic item. It is in a nice aluminum can sort of bottle. Let's see here, 16 fluid ounces. Says purified water, electrolytes added. Hold on here. Let me get the light. It says here aquas add luna per luna add aquas. It says become like this whole novella on here. I'm gonna read it. It's a lot. There's like a QR code and some really interesting face uh face writing. Also, right there, if you guys can see, the QR code kind of distorts, and then there's um a lunar chart. But no, that's pretty cool. I mean, there's a whole bunch here, and it's a lot to read. But the problem with it is it's hard to read with this tiny font on this backdrop. Um, Interesting. So if you get yourself one, definitely read it. So let's go ahead and crack this open. Find out what the moon water is all about. Like I said, they got all these interesting. I think that's good. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Is it fizzy? Oh, is there bubbles in this? Oh, I didn't. I thought it was just regular water. It doesn't say anything that it's carbonated. Let's find out. Get the stop on. Unexpected. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, let's dive in. Now, you would think that because why would you smell water? Well, a couple of things, right? Our taste buds work along with our nose, and so sometimes something doesn't smell right, you ain't drinking it. So like things got to work together. So we'll smell the water, and to be honest with you, it smells purified. It smells soft. I don't smell any electrolytes, and I assure you, sometimes you can smell the things they put in all sorts of beverages. And water, since it's in its pure state, right? It's just water. Anything you add to it, sometimes you can pick up on it. But no, I just get soft out of it. Now, let's go ahead and dive in on the drinky drink. Turns out it's not carbonated; just had bubbles on the inside of my glass. But it's an interesting taste. Okay, it's an interesting taste. I do taste the electrolytes. I taste that sort of medicinal additive. That's just me and my palate. But here's where it gets interesting. It tastes like a cross between, hear me out, tap water. No, hose water and bottled water. Combine those two. Now, for those that don't know what hose water tastes like, you're too young. For those that know what hose water tastes, right, tastes like, y'all my people. So it has that sort of almost rubbery metallic flavoring, right? From the hose, right? From the end piece, from the entire hose. And then it's like purified water, but that could just be the water with the electrolytes putting off this interesting taste. Um, I like the gimmick of this product, right? It's moon water, and I'm pretty sure if we read what it, you know what? Let's try. Let's see what we can get out of it. Let's see here. Hold on. From the bottle crown, these enchanted ions flow with abundance and hydration. 10 million years ago, from the depths of the rainbow singularity and catal- catalyzed within the thermal imprint of cosmic microwave radiation, Jesus, there was birth a hydropod that even in its imperial infancy defied all actual relatively relatively of the it's Jesus a apol trifle heavens. Got a lot of big words. Then something truly unexpected happened. The dynamic molecule experienced a conscientious revelation resulting in a full scale astral projection to another dimension. Moon Water's clairvoyant passage into our world from the frozen lunar landscape defied all expectation. Light workers ascended from every corner of the ancient world to bear witness. Structurally, moon water transcends all four polygalactic dimensions, existing unencumbered within the quantum vortex of primordial bioorganic liquid. I don't know why I decided to read that. Well, that makes everything better. It's not hose water and purified water. It was whatever I just read. And if you ever get a chance to get you some, I highly recommend it. Not only just because it's an interesting tasting item, but it makes a really cool decorative um situation on your shelf, right? It's definitely going to get added to all this back here. And I appreciate you guys. Oh, by the way, if you guys really want to know what the water is, it's Firefox's bathwater. Yeah, it is. Bye.